On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will focus on magic methods in Python. We will carefully explain the role and usage of magic methods step by step, presenting representative methods and their examples categorized by type. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Magic methods, special methods, in Python are specially named methods used to give classes unique behaviors. For example, they are characterized by being enclosed in double underscores, dunders, such as init and str. Therefore, they are also called dunder methods. By defining magic methods, you can customize the standard behavior of classes. For example, defining add allows you to change the behavior of the plus operator. The init method is a constructor automatically called when an instance is created. The str method returns a human-readable string representation. It is called by print and str. The reaper method returns a string representation for debugging purposes. It is used by reaper and when displaying in the interpreter. By using magic methods, arithmetic operators can be overloaded. For example, the add method allows overloading of the plus operator. You can also overload comparison operators. For example, the eq method overloads the equality operator. You can create classes that behave like lists or dictionaries. The len method is a magic method that returns the number of elements. The getItem method is called when using index access. The setItem and delItem methods are called when writing or deleting items. To make an object iterable in a for loop, implement the following. By defining enter and exit methods, you can implement pre- and post-processing for the with statement. By defining the call method, you can make an instance callable like a function. Magic methods in Python are a powerful way to add natural and intuitive behavior to classes. Each method has a clear purpose, and implementing them properly allows you to write more flexible and Pythonic code. Magic methods serve as an invisible interface that supports how Python objects interact and behave behind the scenes. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the content of this channel, please consider subscribing.